Hello my students, how are you? Grade 4. Today we'll explain lesson number 7, topic 2, subtract across zeros. Look at here. Solve and share. London, England is 15,710 kilometers from the South Pole. Tokyo, Japan is 13,950 kilometers from the South Pole. How much farther is London than Tokyo from the South Pole? Solve the problem any way you choose. You can find the difference between two numbers. Okay, by using any strategy. Okay, look at with me. The first strategy we can use a logarithm strategy to write the greatest number up. We have 15,710 subtract by 13,953. 10 minus 3 equals 7, and 0 minus 5 we can do it per 1. 10 minus 5, 5, and 6 minus 9 we can do it. 16 minus 9 equals 7, and 4 minus 3, 1. And the result will be 1,757 meter. Okay, you can use this strategy or another strategy like this. Now it's the first work. Draw the charts. This and subtract by 1. Okay, the answer here will be 1,000. This wrong answer. Okay, this wrong answer. The true answer. You can put 1 from left hand side. At the page, next page, the Darwin's question here. He asked here, page 61. Explain how you decide what operation to use. Find how much farther London than Tokyo from the South Pole. Simple answer here. I drew by diagram. You can draw by diagram, and so I need to subtract to compare distance. Okay. Next question. You can find the result between 678 like this. 6,000 subtract by 4,678. We can borrow 1. 6 will be 5, and 0 10 minus 1 will be 9. Borrow 1 from 0 10 will be 9, and 0 will be 10. 10 minus 8 equal 2, and 9 minus 7 equal 2. 9 minus 6 equal 3, and 5 minus 4 equal 1. The result will be 1,322. The estimation about this number, first number is approximating this 6,000, and this number approximated to 5,000. You can approximate two numbers. Okay, we can approximate the result. He asked about estimation. This number, the estimation, is meaning approximated to the nearest what? To the nearest here 100 will be 4,700. Okay, and then you can find the difference between them. 4,700. We can write double 0. Number 1 here, it will be 5, and 10. 10 minus 7 equal 3, and 5 minus 4, 1. It's the estimation about the number. This is estimation, but the actual number, it will be 1,322. The rest. Okay, this solution was solved. Now asked you, how would you regroup if the hall had 5,900 seats? The simple answer starts with 100 regroups, and hundreds as 800, so after teens, and then 10 teens as 9 teens plus 10 ones. Next question. We can find the difference between two numbers here. We can find the difference between 6,000 and 1,773. 0 minus 3 we can do it. You must put 1 from 6 will be 5, and 0 here will be 10. Put 1 will be 9. 0 will be 10. Put 1 to be 9. 10 minus 3 equal 7, and 9 minus 7 equal 2. 9 minus 7 equal 2, and 5 minus 1 4. Result will be 4,227. Also 231,086 subtract by 172,863. 6 minus 3 equal 3, 8 minus 6 equal 2, and then bur 1, 10 minus 8 equal 2, 0 minus 2 bur 1, 10 minus 2 equal 8, and 2 minus 7 we can do 1, 20 or 12 minus 7 equal 5. The result will be 58,223. Okay, next question like this you can do by this method to find the result. Understood? Next step, 5,000 subtract by 1. You can write here 5,000 here, subtract 1,426. We can use this method, subtract by 1 from the first and subtract 1 from the second number, because you can get the last time. Okay, I will give you the tips here. 5,000 subtract by 1,476. We can write 5,000 subtract by 1, and also if we subtract 1 from this number, you must add 1. Subtract this number. We can write this brackets here, subtract by 1,476 subtract by 1. Subtract here 1 and here 1, because negative times negative positive, so it's meaning 4,999 subtract the difference between two numbers, 1,475. You can find the difference. 9 minus 5 equal 4, and also 9 minus 7 equal 2, 9 minus 4 5, and 4 minus 1 equal 3. The result will be 3,524. Okay. Next question here, one passenger flew 11,033 kilometers from Oslo to Lima. Another passenger flew 8,593 kilometers from Oslo to Los Angeles. How many more kilometers was the flight to Lima? We can find the difference between them. We can write 11,033 subtract by 8,593. 3 minus 3 equal 0, and 3 minus 9 we can't do it. Bur 1 from 1 0, 0 will be 10, bur 1 9, and here 13. 13 minus 9 equal 4, and 9 minus 5 equal 4, and then bur 1, 10 minus 8 equal 2. 2,440. Okay. You can write the solution about this example to review answer true or false. Okay, check the answer about all questions. Like this number, 6,090 subtract by 5,130. 0 minus 0 0, 9 minus 6 3, and 10 minus 1 equal 9. 5 minus 5 0, then the result will be 9,960. 960. It's the difference between two numbers. Okay. Now we have word problems about the difference between two numbers, like this question. Well, the difference between 44,041 and 43,876 greater or less than 1,000, and explain. You can find the difference between two numbers. Or first, he asked about the difference between two numbers greater or less than this number. Okay, this number here, we have the answer less than 1,000. The simple answer 43,000 plus 1,000 is greater than 44,041. He asked about, repeat after me, is about the difference between two numbers greater than or more than. You can use this method, or you can solve by another method to find the difference between two numbers and look at the difference greater than or more than. Now we can write the greatest number, 44,041 subtract by 43,876. 11 minus 6 equal 5, and then bur 1, 10 between 9, and 13 minus 7 equals 6. 9 minus 8 1, 3 minus 3 0 0, then the result will be 165 less than 1,000. You can solve by this method, find the difference between two numbers and the result not greater than. So the result will be less than. The answer here less than. Question 25, we can redefine variables like here. Define variable and give an example of how variable is used in equation. We can use a variable like this number 5283 plus n equal 10,566, and then we can find the difference between two numbers. Then n we called here the variable. خلاص okay, and here variable. Next question. Next question here for 26 to 27, use the table on the right. We can use the table to find the result. How many more hip hop than country downloads we sold? Hip hop here and country, we can find the difference between them. Okay, look at steps. 7,000 and 97 subtract by country 5,000 and 63. 6 minus 3, 9 minus 6, 3. 0 minus 0 equals 0, and 7 minus 5, 2. Then the result will be 2033. This is the answer about this question. Okay, next question. Higher order thinking. How many more hip hop and lithium here downloads were sold than and country rock and country? Okay, we can add together hip hop and lithium like this, and then find the difference between the number. We asked about were sold and country downloads. How many more? It means difference. If we add together like this, first and second, and then find the difference between two answers. We can add first and second, hip hop and lithium. Here rock country. Then the result will be the difference between them like this. It is 6. We have 13,300 subtract by 9,070. 0 minus 0 equals 0. 0 minus 7 we can do it. 10 minus 7 equal 3. 2 minus 0 equal 2. And 13 minus 9 equal 4. The result will be 4,230. Select all the correct difference. We have 1, 2, 3, 0 are correct, and also the difference between two numbers will be 21,757. Okay, next time I will explain using question number 8. Goodbye.